Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. Let's go back to our finance and accounts business life second lecture of business management from London College of International Studies. So let's continue our session. The finance function manages the monetary resources that enable all business activities. Without effective financial management, even the most innovative business concepts will struggle to thrive in competitive market. So the key financial responsibilities are accounting, recording, classifying, and summarizing financial transactions, financial reporting, preparing statements, income, balance sheets, cash flow, and number three, budgeting, planning, and monitoring income and expenditures. Number four, financial analysis, evaluating business performance and investment opportunities. Number five, capital management, sourcing and allocating funds for operations and growth. Risk management, identifying and mitigating financial vulnerabilities. Essential financial tools. Break-even analysis, determining the point where sales cover all costs. Cash flow forecasting, projecting future money movement. For example, if you are going to launch a project, for example, a website, so you will tell yourself a question. The project will give money when, where, and how much. Ratio analysis, using financial ratios to assess performances from the beginning to the middle until the end. And of course, you can classify them by pointing months. For example, if you start your project on January, so you will find in February how much did you earn, then March, then April, then May until December. Return of investment, ROI, return on investment. This one is one of the most important abbreviations that you need to know. Measuring the efficiency of investments. Marketing, connecting with customers. So now you have a project, you have your plan, and now that's your way to market your project. Marketing bridges the gap between business capabilities, customers' needs. So we have the business or service because the people need something. Customers or clients need something. It encompasses all activity that identify, anticipate, and satisfy customer requirements profitably, from market research and product development to promotion and distribution. So that's the whole process, starting from the market research, what the people need. After that, you are going to develop your product because you have competitors. So we need to make some additions on your project so the people will ask for your project and not and they are not going to go for the competitors. After that, the promotion, how can you promote your project using, for example, social media, sponsors, for example, ads, and then distribution inside and outside, I mean locally and internationally. The marketing mix, the 4PS framework. Number one, it's a product, developing goods and services that meet customers' needs, including features, including quality, branding, and packaging, which means starting with the whole process, the quality, the brand that you are going to promote, and then the packaging. Then the price. The price should be competitive, which means I will give you the same quality or maybe more than uh, uh, um, just the quality. It's maybe better than the other competitors, and it's gonna go. It's gonna be on competitive. You will find two expressions: good price and competitive price. Good price, which means it's worthy. I will give you the money and I will gain a lot from the deal or from the transaction. Or competitive price. It means the people will promote the same product, okay, but you are giving the customers, the clients, the same product with competitive price. So the people will tell themselves one important question. I have to go to you because you're giving me the same product with a good price or competitive price, ensuring availability through distribution channels, market coverage, inventory managing, and logistics. It's a case study, Gangnam Style. Okay, it's a viral marketing phenomenon. South Korean and BSY Gangnam Style music video demonstrates viral marketing principles. So it's not English, it's not French, it's not from a famous singer. No, it's something else. It's Korean artist. Okay, the people are not famous. So let's launch Gangnam Style. Okay, Gangnam Style is one of the most watched videos on YouTube worldwide. Billions and billions of people watch this video. Let's know how they promote this song. Okay, first one, distinctive content, memorable choreography, and visual humor transcending language barriers. So I will make you sing the song even if you don't the language. It's Korean. It's Korean. Okay. I'm an English speaker. I'm an Arabic speaker. I'm a Spanish speaker. I will sing the same song with the Korean language because I will make you memorize the choreography and even the lyrics with the same language. A strategic platform selection, YouTube, enabling global reach without traditional distribution, because some people are promoting not on YouTube. I will promote the song on my website. If you want to download or watch or listen to the song, all you have to do is to pay for it and download it. No, it's free, completely free. All you have to do is to install the app on your phone or even open your PC or your laptop and then choose YouTube from Google Chrome, then write Gangnam Style. So you will find the song free, and of course you can download it free. Culture crossover appeal, combine familiar elements with novel presentation. Of course, it's gonna give you a story. Even if you don't know the story, okay, you will ask yourself why they are dancing like this, why are they doing the same movement all the time. Participatory element, easily replicable dance, encouraging user-generated content. This one is so important, okay? If they did just like acrobatics or difficult movement, the people will not like the song because all they have to do is just to put your hand like this and your hand like this and do like this. So easy, you can do it. You can do it. Anyone, just like if you watch the video 2 times or thrice, I mean 3 times, you can imitate the song. So the choreographer is the one who is teaching dances. Okay, the choreographer invents or just make a song with a dance the people can imitate in their real life. All you have to do, watch the video 2 times or 3 times, then you find yourself say the lyrics, and of course you can imitate the dance. So the results: 4.4 billion YouTube viewers, unprecedented global recognition, and subsequent commercial opportunities worth millions achieved with minimum traditional marketing investment. It's out of money, millions and millions of dollars, just one song. And of course, it's not so easy because we just 8 billions, 4.4 billion viewers for one song. It's not so easy. It's unprecedented. It's one of a kind, of course. For English department students, marketing offers numerous career paths, leveraging communication skills. It's not only because you speak English, you will work as a translator or interpreter or English teacher. You can work in communication skills. including content creation. You can just write something in English, content creator, copywriter. You can, of course, write as well using some brands, so you're using some website, you're using some platform just like LinkedIn, for example, brand storytelling and public relations. Of course, you can work in all of these sections: content writing, content creation, copywriting, or brand storytelling, and of course, public relations. Operations management behind the scenes. Operations management focuses on designing and controlling the process that transform inputs into finished goods and services. The function ensures that businesses deliver quality products efficiently, consistently, and profitably. Key operational responsibilities. First one is process design, creating efficient workflow for production or service delivery. Quality management, establishing and maintaining quality standards. Capacity planning, ensuring sufficient resources to meet demand or request. Inventory control, managing raw materials and finished goods. Then supply chain management, coordinating with suppliers and distributors, facilities layout, optimizing physical space for productivity, continuous improvement, identifying and implementing process enhancements. And we have to know that operations management applies to both manufacturing and service industries. Though the specific activities differ. In manufacturing, the focus is on physical production process. In services, it centers on customer experience and service delivery systems. Study, for example, Toyota production system. Toyota revolutionized manufacturing through its Toyota production system, TPS, which introduced principles now widely adopted across industries, just-in-time inventory. And chapter 3 will continue this session. Thank you so much for watching and catch you on the next session.